Mr. and Mrs. Ougat moet die droog voel because jou punani en jou panga is die desert. Mr. as jy voel that Mrs. is droog, listen to me carefully. Do not use fish oil or baby oil. Because jou vrou se punani is 'n stuk visie en jy is ook nie dead nie. And Mrs. there are 5 reasons why you are droog at the bottom. Hormonal, diet, medical, sit jy met lus vir jou money, ek doen dit nie meer reg nie. Yeah, that's right. Ek het daar gesê. If you, Mrs. are emotionally close up to your husband, dan, yeah, that's right, dan droog jou punani op so seewater, dan lyk dit soos 'n droë stuk soupvleis. And Mrs. reached out to me to tell me that her husband het visolie aangesit by sy panga. If she hadn't to see in time that diamond se panga blink soos 'n trofee nie. Nie glo vir my, punani sal regtig dan soos 'n visfabriek geryk het. You should be spontaneous in making ougat, but Mr. and Mrs. realistically, there are certain things that you just cannot do, such as playing with pineapples. Nee, julle gaan bloei. Ek sê maar net.